What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to filter food videos on BiteSight. If you're looking for a Craving and you want to have your filters do the work for you, you can look at the top right area of your screen, and just on the left side of the search icon, you can see an icon right there. Tap on it. And of course, if you want something healthy, you can tap on healthy. And then when you tap on the screen away from the filter section, you're going to see an update to your viewing. So these are healthy options from this restaurant, and you can swipe up to see more options. Of course, if you want to make some more filters, you can tap on the filter icon right there. And then you can go over to where you have dietary restrictions, if you have any. And if you don't want, say, nuts, you can select no peanuts, no tree nuts, and gluten-free, for example, and then select apply. And then you have your dietary restrictions alongside your healthy selection, and then when you tap away, you can be sure that the options displayed right here will follow your preferences according to your filter. Alternatively, another way to filter food videos on BiteSight is to simply use the search icon right there. Tap on the search icon, which is found at the top right corner, and then if you're craving for steak, you can simply search for steak, search, and all your options will be steak meals. Then of course, if you're looking for cake or desserts, you can say cake, and there you have cake options displayed by filtering with the search option. So this is how to filter food videos on BiteSight.